welcome to today's video. If you are new at the channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell and turn on notifications such that every time we upload a video, you get notified. Today we're gonna see how do we fund Binance, how do we put money on Binance to start trading. So all you need to do, you need to register for an account. All you need to do is to register for an account on Binance, and after registering an account on Binance and you bind your Binance with the royal queue, you need to put money from Fiat, from the local currency of your country. For example, I am in Uganda, to put my Uganda shillings into the money we use to buy cryptocurrencies. Which currency do we use to buy cryptocurrencies? It must be USD Tether. It must be USD Tether. So how do I get that USD Tether from the Uganda shillings? You simply go on your Binance. You simply go on your Binance. At the home page, you tap the avatar above. You tap that avatar. When you tap the avatar, there is something which says Binance Pro. So you just need to change from Binance Pro to Binance Lite. When you click where there is Binance Pro, that is to say, you are going to get the Binance Lite. That is where we are going to buy the USDT from the local currencies. You simply tap where there are two arrows looking in opposite directions, and after there you will see one, we have buy, we have sell, we have convert or deposit. So if you have Fiat, that is to say Uganda shillings, you are going to tap buy because you want to buy crypto with it. Uganda shillings, you tap buy, and when you tap buy, you search the coin you want to buy. We want to buy, in this case we want to buy USD Tether. You tap that, and it indicates that one USD Tether is the same as one USD dollar. So here you put the amount of Uganda shillings you want to use to buy. That is to say, if I use 1 million Uganda shillings, here down it estimates for me the amount of US dollars I will get. Like here we have 200 according to the dollar price right now. We have 272.79 US dollars. Then you tap buy, and after tapping buying, there is what we call peer-to-peer trading. You can use peer-to-peer trading if you want to buy USDT, but there is also another. On peer-to-peer, you use things such as PayPal. We have cheaper cash. Here in Uganda, we can pay using cheaper cash. Others can use Airtel money or MTN mobile money. So there is also another alternative. You can pay using bank accounts or a card. So it is upon you to choose which one will be simpler for you to use. And after that, for example here, you tap confirm. After confirming, your order will be placed, and after pressing, if you pay the fiat, after paying the fiat, you notify the buyer. You notify the seller. After confirming, your order will be put in place. After placing your order, you pay the fiat you have, because it is advised to first pay the fiat before one releases the crypto. So after paying your fiat and notify the seller will send you the USDT, will send you the crypto, and there you will be good to start trading on your Binance, and there you will get the crypto on your Binance account.